The Alpine A110 is a thrilling sports car that prioritizes driver enjoyment. With a starting price of £54,490, it's a lightweight marvel with a mid-engine layout. Its design echoes the original 1960s model, offering a nostalgic yet modern driving experience. Equipped with a 1.8-liter turbocharged engine, the A110 delivers 249 brake horsepower. Despite being lighter than its rivals, like the Porsche 718 Cayman, it offers rapid acceleration and nimble handling. The A110S variant boosts power to 296 brake horsepower, enhancing performance. Inside, the A110 features leather and carbon fiber accents, though some materials feel less premium. The infotainment system is basic, but Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The driving position is excellent, with supportive seats and adjustable steering. Despite its compact size, the A110 accommodates taller drivers comfortably. Storage is limited, with small front and rear boots. Optional storage solutions can help, but overall, space is not its strong suit. Visibility is also restricted by the design. The A110 offers great value with reasonable options and impressive fuel economy. It lacks some modern safety features, but compensates with excellent handling. The 3-year, 60,000-mile warranty provides peace of mind, making it a compelling sports car choice.